In this video, we're going to look at the weekly CPR scan ups, which are uptrending. So basically, we're looking for stocks which are uptrending, which basically means that the three consecutive CPRs are up. So here is a list. You can see a lot of the petroleum stocks, right? Chevron, ConocoPhillips, Oxy, which is a petroleum, Hell. Right? A lot of them are petroleum stocks. Okay, let's go and look at them. Let's look at first LMT. Okay. Let's go to charts, remove all the chart, remove all the charts, add it, CPR. Okay. I'm going to add a weekly. Okay. So now we want to look at 1 hour time frame. Okay. So this one, LMT, Lockheed Martin. Okay, so if you see that it's consecutive 3 CPRs up. So what we need to do is we need to wait for on Monday. We need to look for a candle like this, just upper bit, no lower bit. It has to form above the CPR. Then you can take the trade for a 2 to 3 days short term. Okay, you can 2 to 3 day trade. You can do a basically a directional trade with options. Okay, so let's look at one more. Let's look at WMW, VMW. Okay. Here also, if you look at them, three consecutive series CPRs up. So you want to wait for the first candle to form like that above the CPR. Take the trade. Okay. So a good stock is all the petroleum stocks. If you want to go for petroleum stock, you can just go to XLE. Okay. Energy ETF. That also has a similar pattern. Okay. So wait for the first candle to appear above the CPR, and you can take a trade. Okay. Now let's go and look at the downward CPR. Okay. I'm going to save this. Up CPR 7th. Okay. Now let's look at load down. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is week. Okay, weekly. I only want to look at weeklies. Okay. Scan. Okay. So we're getting too many entries, right? So what I'm saying is what I'm going to do is I'm going to say study, license studies, sell signal. Okay. And 1 hour. Okay. So this way we can reduce the number of shares which are coming up. Okay. I can also put developing CPR, but I just want to put the sell signal so that you see stocks are in sell signal as per this licensed study. Okay. Now we are seeing these are the symbols which are in sell signal. Let's look at workday WD. Okay. So what I also want to do is I want to sort by this channel. So if you see here 11 means 11 candles are down. Okay. So PFE also 11 candles are down. These are the stocks we want to look for. Okay. So let's look at WD. 52 candles are down. Chart. Okay. So this 3 candles are down, but it's not consecutive down. Okay. So PK, PFE chart. It's also not Setup. Let's look at eBay chart. eBay. Okay. Weekly 1 hour chart. This is down trading, but now it's up trading. Okay. It's probably turning around. Okay, looks like this stock may be turning around. Okay. So you want to wait for the first candle to open above, and then you can take the trade. So I'm going to also add epoch to see where the price controlling prices. Right? So, for example, prices here. So the price just basically came down. Now it has gone up. Okay. So now you can see that it will retrace down, come back to this. So this is a resistance or support. This is a resistance here. Okay. So if it reaches here, it may just face some resistance. So here is a resistance here. Here is a resistance here. It could turn up. Okay. You see it's trending down. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. I'm going to list the both watch list in the video, so you can basically look at them. Okay? So I'm going to say watch list down CPR 027. Thank you.